Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox HTTP Error 2025. First, you should always check your internet connection, as instability is a common cause for this error. Make sure your device is connected to a reliable network. You might also try restarting your computer or mobile device to refresh the connection before moving on. This basic step often resolves many temporary network glitches efficiently and quickly. If your internet seems fine, try power cycling your router by unplugging it for at least 30 seconds, then plugging it back in. This simple reset can clear up many underlying network communication problems. Additionally, attempt playing Roblox using an entirely different network, such as a mobile hotspot or a friend's Wi-Fi connection. This test helps confirm if the issue is with your local network settings or something else entirely, guiding your next steps. Next, clearing your Roblox application cache is a crucial step to remove any potentially corrupted temporary files. Navigate to your Roblox folder, delete the versions folder, and then clear your browser's cache as well. If the error persists, consider fully uninstalling and then reinstalling the Roblox player. This process ensures you are running the newest, uncorrupted version of the game client, which can often resolve persistent errors effectively. It is important to ensure your operating system and graphics drivers are up to date, as outdated software can cause conflicts. Additionally, review your firewall settings. Sometimes, your firewall might be blocking Roblox from connecting properly. Make an exception for Roblox in both your firewall and any antivirus software you are running. This ensures the game has the necessary permissions to communicate freely, preventing many connection-related issues effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.